When children of Israel were attacked by the Egyptians, and when the children of God cried unto the Lord answered in Isaiah chapter 31 verse 3, Egyptians are men and not God. Their horses are flesh and not spirit. When the Lord stretches his hand, both he who helps and the one who helped will be destroyed. Babylonians, Egyptians, Assyrians, no matter who they are, no matter what the confederation was, when the Lord came to the rescue of his children, no one could stand against them. And it simply tells us, even the superpower in the world might be trying to attack you or your nation, but when you call unto the Lord will come to your rescue. Call him now.